The vermicomposting you saw is actually a commercial process. We are geared towards producing by the tons. Then you have a big problem of saving it. That's why we developed this rotating sieve to handle the sieving of the vermicompost. You can see down here different grades of sieve. For example, here is the very, very fine sieve. This size is called the vermicast. It is actually the output from the earthworm, you may call it a vermicompost. Very, very fine and very, very fertile. The coastal fraction here is mixed up with a lot of different products. There are some left over from the casting, some of the leaves, and the unfinished digestive part from the earthworm. You may also have eggs, a little bit of earthworms. This is called vermicompost, and it's a common product that we use in planting. Out here, the earthworms will be driven down as we rotate the sieve. That is where we collect our earthworms. We have designed this rotating sieve for the situation where you don't have power supply, so you have to use manual labor to rotate it. This is very convenient for those people in the rural areas where you don't have electricity supply or your labor cost is very low. It is also possible to fit a motor to it. Then of course life is much easier. Suppose you have your composted material that you want to sieve. You start off by putting it inside here and you rotate the sieve. The first part that comes out will be a very fine, because the sieve at the first stage is a very, very fine sieve, about 3 mm. The output is a very, very fine product that we call the vermicast. At the second stage of the sieve, it is a bit coarser. It is about 6 mm, and that's where you get your vermicompost. Let me show you where it comes out. The first part of the sieve that you see here is a very fine sieve. Inside here is a mesh which is 3 mm. The output is this very fine product that you can see here. It is actually the vermicast or the poo of the earthworms. Very, very fine material. No smell, absolutely no smell. It probably smells like the compost that you see in your rich humus soil. This is a coarser sieve, 6 mm or 1/4 inch. The material that comes out is a bit coarser, not so pure as the vermicast. This is the general product that you use for your planting. Very fertile, it has earthworms, and eggs, plus a lot of other different ingredients inside. At the end of the sieving process, this is the worms that you will get to see coming out from this rotating sieve, together with this pile of coarse material, which is from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. It also contains some stone, a lot of twigs, and different products that the earthworm couldn't digest. We have to very quickly harvest these worms before it crawl and disappear inside here.